origins. So it's 10, 12 probably now, and we're tired. We just got out of the car, and now
we've been in the car for 5 hours.
And now we're about to get handcuffed. Hey, sir. They're gonna watch the handcuff.
Yeah. Okay. So am I gonna clap you too? Okay. I'm gonna clap Madison first.
Clap.
And then
So tomorrow at 10:10.
Hold on, I'm gonna take off my scrunchie.
Tomorrow at 10:10 we get unhooked.
Hold on. Oh God, I already got to unloosen mine.
That is tape.
Get off.
There you go.
Oh my God. Well, let's go see Jerry. Let's give his reaction to it. Come on, Caitlin. Jared, we're getting handcuffed together.
Not surprised.
If they bite you, I'm a run. No. Stop. Oh, they already over it.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What?
Food.
Okay, then get the food.
God. What the? Why do we have the thing that's swinging?
We'll go say hot. We're gonna have to put shoes on.
I'm gonna cut it like work.
You don't gotta record
He's
everything
right
you do. You don't
Not
have to record
outside.
everything you do. Stop.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah, no kidding.
Mine. Well,
Say, oh, lean back.
Oh my God, my. It's like, it's not. Oh my God, it's not even. You don't. No, I don't. I don't think I need no one with this. What's the What's the heat feature?
It'll hit you.
It's tingling.
Look how I'm sitting.
With your handcuffed.
I gotta sit down.
We'll do it for the tube.
Great, can't wait.
This feels so good. Oh my God.
Are you okay?
No. Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you brought that glove stuff again. I'm gonna
I'm gonna have to sit like this.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, you don't take mine and wear it, do you?
I didn't see what you're
Wear mine.
talking
She don't wear mine.
about. The phone! Can you pick it up?
No, I can't.
Actually, can you like reach
I
it?
should.
Okay, I got it. I got
Wear
it.
mine.
Quality YouTube video.
Why don't you wear mine?
He's smart!
SJ.
Get
Oh my
it.
God,
SJ's
SJ.
Look, I'm literally laying on the floor.
Tell them you're very smart.
Y'all people are bad at quality.
I bet none of them sound a massage chair.
Okay, Mommy.
Ow, actually, you can't jump in my baby. My back is really screwed. Like
Hey, this will help us sleep.
when I had the wreck.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm so tired. I could probably sleep right here.
I'm
I'll
sleep
show
right
you
here.
pictures. I had to be pulled out.
We fall asleep on
They couldn't
camera.
get me out.
I would die laughing.
They had to get a big crane and pull me out.
Get it good right there. Are y'all gonna spend the whole day doing this? Are y'all gonna spend the...
Oh.
What's my neck? I have it on my neck. It's just all...
Hey guys.
Ew, my neck hurts.
See, it hurt.
Ooh!
Have you ever seen my picture from the wreck?
Oh, man.
I don't know why.
Hey guys, what's up? This is my crazy sister.
Say.
This is my baby sister. I'm older than you. I said my crazy
Okay.
sister. Can you push down?
Somehow I had rolled to the back. I was right
No,
there.
can you like push the phone up a little bit? You like knocked it down.
I don't know. That's on my back.
Okay.
Don't push.
And then
Hey guys, what's up?
Really?
yep, there's his head was over there propped off.
What is this?
He had a seatbelt on, and I did not. I don't believe in seatbelts. There's all his blood. His head actually decayed.
Hey, girls.
Stop doing it.
Are you serious?
Go sit down.
Yeah, look at all that shit. That's where my feet were, and I was sitting in that chair. I had rolled back from the front seat somehow. SJ, do not get on my back.
Oh, it just went into my. Oh! Okay, guys, I'm done. Oh my god, guys, I forget we're handcuffed. It's like 11 and Caitlin's already tired because that's how Caitlin is, and she's like gets tired. She's like a grandma, literally.
Yeah, but we were also in a car for 5 hours. I had a long school day.
So we don't know how we're about to sleep. So
Well, I was thinking we could spin, but then she said no, and I was like, it ain't my fault. This is how we about to. Cause look, we could just go like this.
it doesn't really matter though, cause look,
But
you see,
you sleep like that.
I kind of just go like,
Okay, do it. I don't give a shit.
I should talk mushrooms.
I should talk to you, Usher. What? What
Your
are
eyebrows. We should like do makeup with these tomorrow. Oh my god,
we can.
okay, let's get a nice good view. I'm about to change clothes and get into my pajamas.
I'm bothered.
I'm about to zoom in on your face while I'm editing when you're like, it's not gonna work out, guys. And we're currently we've been outside for like the past like hour,
Yeah, I was probably gonna.
and we were just dancing.
Can you not?
And we were okay. Listen, so we have a question for like those people that do comment, which is like nobody. But so if you were getting chased by a police car, like 12 of them, what song would you play?
Highway down there.
You can say that. That's not a bad word. 'Cause I
Highway to hell.
But yeah. Oh my god, I had the
My
problem.
nails look good from this angle. Our vlog.
Our YouTube video. We're gonna get our nails done either tomorrow or Friday.
Okay, end it.
But yeah, so we'll update you. Bye. Okay, update. It's the next morning, and
We're currently dying.
we had to sleep on the floor too.
Yeah, we had to sleep on the floor because her little brother was sleeping, and I'm a beast, so we couldn't obviously have both sat in the bed, like, even though it's a king bed, so we could not sleep there.
She said that I kicked and stuff.
Oh my god, she farted in her sleep, like, really loud. She went, boom, and then, like, she started kicking, and so, like, at 5 o'clock in the morning, her mom was like, just go sleep in the bed. I was like, no, I don't want to make her mad, and then she slapped me. We did. Your mom literally went up to you and said, come on, Madison, and tried to pick you up, and you were like, or she just kept saying, I love you. You'd go, And then we were like, do you love Colby? You'd go,
Oh my god, I don't remember this. Ew.
Look at the date.
Here's our handcuffs.
Is that Colby's mom? We're gonna have to wave with her hands.
That's not her. That's an old man. I'm currently over it.
That looks so bad. Yeah, we're over it already.
And we're going to go eat somewhere.
When?
Well, Hop's sick though. That's something.
Yep. We need to be really careful about breaking the golf cart.
Yeah, we're gonna drive the golf cart with the handcuffs and we'll try not to die. Luna like took your spotlight. She was like, I'm done with you. Look how pretty she is.
That's why you give people pneumonia and different diseases.
Okay.
I mean, she was out, like, in the wild for a while. Why are we still recording? Okay.
I don't know, bye, guys.
We'll update y'all.
Okay. So let's
So-
turn into a gameplay.
We had half days at our schools. So we just didn't come. It was Friday, January 18th, so we just decided not to go because YOLO, dudes. Anyways, I sound like I'm dying. But I'm going to try and play Fortnite.
You're gonna be dragging my hand. She gets so serious.
I
when she
get
plays
really
Fortnite.
serious when I play Fortnite. Like, she has a TikTok where in the background I'm literally flipping out because I lost a Fortnite game. So
That was in April.
this should be fun because I'm probably going to end up saying naughty things. I cannot cuss. I know I cannot not cuss. But, like, I might accidentally cuss. Oh my god, I look so pale. No, like, look.
No, like, look.
We're the same.
Oh my god, I'm tan.
Okay. So
I'm currently editing, and I'm just not gonna put the videos of Caitlin playing Fortnite because, like, why? It's stupid and boring, and nobody wants to watch that. And she's sleeping over there, but yeah. This is her breakfast, and it's already like. Okay.
anyway. And all 4 yours.
Yeah. She's eating salt and baby chips for breakfast.
She's eating Sour Touch
Oh my god.
cereal.
That's good. Okay, we need to pour milk.
Alright.
Yeah.
Put that up. Here, we'll put that up first.
I can't reach. You love being short.
I hate this so much.
Why does it smell like that? Where do you go? I can't. 119.
It's 18.
It smells fine, I guess. Watch out for the peanut weeder. There's pee. Okay, guys, ready?
What are these?
Like that.
Who would eat that as a cereal?
Me? Oh. And me and Malin? Can you put? Oh,
I see
Caitlin! It's YouTube. We're a family-friendly community here. God, leave me alone, Aiden.
I'm like the man at the bar.
Oh my god, Caitlin! Oh. Update, guys. Jesus. You're so stupid. You drove off the freaking goats. Oh, yeah, you can hear all of that. We're always like the word.
I want to watch it.
Okay, guys.
Hello, Madison.
Hold on, I gotta get my phone. I'll put the handcuffs on.
If it'll go. Do I have to wait a second like usual?
Yeah. Here, let me put the choke. Where's the choke? Gotta go up and down. There you go. We flipped our golf cart, like you've seen that video of me explaining the golf cart being flipped. So now it's like a crusted dusting, and it like doesn't go.
You can't pull me like that.
I'm not pulling you, you're pulling me. Oh god. Don't enter the car. Please don't enter the car. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're gonna die. It's great. Plus it's like freezing outside.
We might have to do it where I gotta push it.
Hold up.
Yeah, alright. We gotta.
So
We're
she
stuck.
had to go push it. So we were I was driving it. It was working, and then all of a sudden it goes.
Oh, it's.
I'm not gonna go over there. We're gonna go over there where the rock is.
No.
Not like closer. Update, guys. So we're handcuffed driving this thing to me. There's like there's an 18.
Honey, be quiet.
Fixing our.
No, Madison, go that way, Madison.
Caitlin!
I don't want you go. Honey, be quiet.
He's fixing
You
something.
loud food item.
You loud food item.
God.
What was that? That's Jared.
Shit. This is Jared.
Yeah, hop for Jared. Yeah, told you.
Get off of me.
I can't. We're handcuffed.
No, we broke the golf cart.
Really?
Well, we didn't break it, but I was going fine, and then out of nowhere it stopped.
What's that mean?
We have no idea.
He's doing something.
Being weird. Stop. Madison.
Kayla is okay. Don't worry. Every little thing is gonna be
Jared
alright.
looks like the dude that sings that song.
Huh?
Jared looked like the dude that sings that song. Think his name Bob Marley?
Kayla was driving this thing. This is for people that are like,
Old people.
I fell off of it. And look at my leg. Oh my god, hold up. It's so red.
Okay, get on.
Oh my god. Every time we try to be cool and do something. Okay, continue.
Ow.
It's 8 something and we have like 2 hours left of this stupid challenge. It's not going well.
Yeah, we have a little story time. And we did have to take the handcuffs off once. But it was literally for what, 2 minutes? It was for 2 minutes.
Because there's a dead dog.
Okay, so we'll try to insert a clip here. Or somewhere, we'll insert it sometime. Of a video of me falling off of a bike. This was from a little bit over a year ago, and we wanted, since it happened last January, we wanted to come and do it and go down there and just take pictures and stuff. So we were going, and obviously we're handcuffed. So Madison was walking in front of me, and it got how do I explain that? It's more closed in with the branches.
Okay. So like, usually last year you could just go right through it, like it was like a little forest area.
It's like a forest area.
Well, this year it had like all these branches and stuff. I was walking. I went first because I'm me. And as I was walking, I saw the big black thing, but I was kind of like,
yeah,
whatever.
I thought
like,
it was
like a stick or something.
I thought it was something dead, but I didn't think it was.
It stunk too before we went in there, but we kind of thought it was because there's water down there.
It's really murky
So I
water.
thought it was like the water. So I was walking.
So we didn't think anything of it.
So I was walking. I was like, not even halfway. I wasn't even like, I had to go to this little bump, and after I went on the bump, there was a dead dog laid down like somebody put it there. Like I started freaking out. Like, oh girl, I started crying.
She just looked behind me like, okay, so she was like this, and then she said, oh my god, there's a dead dog. So I kind of had to lead her out, and I was like, I didn't know what to do, because, alright, Madison, like, obviously I love dogs and everything, but Madison loves dogs, like, a whole different level.
I have a blanket of my dogs.
Yeah, so finally she was like, Caitlin, and none of us believed her. We were just kind of like,
Yeah, these little brats were like,
we thought she was being paranoid, so she was like, you need to go look. Madison refused to go back there. She was like, no, because I know what it is. So we did unhandcuff each other, and I went back there. I have a video of it, because we were going to, like, because we think someone killed it. We're just going to be flat out. But we're not going to show you it, because it's like, because they're not going to believe us. But anyway, if you want to see the video, comment down below. But anyways, I went back there, and you see straight animal teeth. So you obviously know it's a dog. And the thing that made it more believable that someone killed it and stuff, it was perfect.
Yeah, there was nothing like on its bite, like no bite marks or anything.
It was perfectly laid out, and they have
in that
house literally right, but like where you go to see the dead dog, you can see 3 other alive dogs in someone's yard. So that dog looked identical to the other dog, so it's like, hello.
Oh my gosh, it is bad. It was so bad. I was like, but we want to go back there again because like. We want to see if there's anything else back there, but I don't want to go back there like, I don't know.
Just wasn't good. So, yeah.
And
we did take it off once. We're not going to, like, hide that from y'all. Like, we did take it off, but, like, we had a good friggin' reason to.
There's a dead dog, okay?
Yeah, so.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day, guys.
But we'll keep y'all updated. Bye. Georgians, it's the next day at like Saturday, and we went to McDonald's at like 9 or 10, and now there's a flash flood warning, so now we're stuck here. But this is the outro, so I hope you have a marvelous day, and I might not get out of McDonald's.